Hello! Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we will learn how to make someone fall for you. Today, we're diving into a topic a lot of people secretly wonder about. How do you actually make someone fall for you? We're not talking about tricks, games, or pretending to be someone you're not. This is all about creating genuine connections and being your best self. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key things that make people drawn to you. So, if you've ever found yourself stuck on what to say or how to act around your crush, this video is for you. Now let's listen to a conversation between two friends, Bri and Penny. Bri is asking Penny for some advice on how to make someone fall for her.
Ugh, Penny, I seriously don't know what to say to him. I like him so much, but every time he's around, my brain just shuts down.
Classic crush brain. Okay, first things first, don't overthink it. Just be yourself. Don't try to act cooler or smarter than you are, because trust me, people can feel it when you're being real. That's what makes you attractive.
Yeah, but what if myself isn't enough?
Girl, stop, you are enough. But it doesn't hurt to show up confident. Take care of yourself. Dress in a way that makes you feel good, smell nice, and keep doing your own thing. Having your own passions makes you so much more attractive.
Okay, but when I actually talk to him, what do I say?
Build an emotional connection. Ask him questions, listen, and remember what he says. Like, if he's into music, notice that. Give him subtle compliments, not obvious ones like how well he plays basketball, or if he sings, how well he sings. Compliment him on the not-so-obvious things.
Like what?
Stuff that shows you pay attention. For example, compliment him on his commitment to playing basketball or how disciplined he is with learning how to sing. Saying these show that you pay attention on the effort he put in, and not just on the actual result. That way, you'll stand out to him.
Oh, I like that.
And don't forget humor. Make him laugh or laugh at his jokes. It makes things less awkward and way more fun.
Okay, but what if I come off too eager?
Then don't. Give him space. Show interest, but let him chase you a little too. Independence is very attractive.
Got it. So, just be nice and funny?
More than that. Be kind to everyone, not just him. Guys notice how you treat other people. And when you're with him, play into his masculinity a little. Say things like, "I feel so safe whenever I'm around you." It makes him feel strong in your eyes.
Oh wow, that's sneaky.
Guys love feeling like they can protect you. Plus, if you can create shared experiences like going to a concert, studying together, or even just grabbing coffee, you'll build memories that make him associate good feelings with you.
So basically, be myself, look confident, compliment him, make him laugh, give him space, and let him feel like my hero?
Exactly. Do that and he won't just like you, he'll fall hard.
You make it sound so easy. But in the moment, I freeze. Like, literally. My mind just goes blank and I panic.
That's normal. You just need practice. Start with small talk, nothing too heavy. Ask him how his day went, what he's been up to, or mention something you both have in common. Once you get past the first couple of minutes, the nerves usually fade.
I guess I could do that. I mean, I know some of the stuff he's into. I just worry I'll sound awkward.
Awkward can be cute, though. As long as you're genuine, he'll probably find it endearing. It shows you care. Just don't over-apologize for being nervous because that can make it weird.
Okay, so basically own it, but don't dwell on it?
Exactly. Own your quirks. They're part of what makes you different from everyone else.
You really think he'll notice me like that?
Bri, if he hasn't noticed you already, he will soon. Just remember, attraction isn't about perfection, it's about connection. Make him feel good when he's with you, and he'll start wanting to be around you more.
The best version of you is you. If you pretend to be someone you're not, you'll always feel like you're performing, and sooner or later, that mask will slip. People can sense authenticity, and when you're genuine, it builds trust. The right person will fall for your quirks, your humor, and your true personality, not a version of you that's forced. So don't be afraid to let them see the real you. Show confidence and take care of yourself. Confidence doesn't mean being the loudest person in the room. It's more about how you carry yourself. Dressing in a way that makes you feel good, smelling fresh, and taking care of your health all make a big difference. When you also pursue your own hobbies and goals, you become more attractive because you're showing that you have your own life and passions. Build an emotional connection. It's easy to like someone on the surface, but a real bond happens when you connect on a deeper level. Ask meaningful questions, pay attention to their answers, and remember the little details they share. If they talk about their favorite band or how stressful their week was, bring it up later. It shows that you care and that you're invested in their world. Give unique compliments. Most people hear the same compliments over and over, like, "You're so good at basketball," or "You sing so well." While nice, those don't stand out. What does stand out is noticing their effort and hidden traits. For example, say, "I admire how disciplined you are with practice," or "It's cool how committed you are to improving." This makes them feel valued for who they are beneath the surface. Use humor. Laughter is one of the quickest ways to connect with someone. It breaks tension, makes moments enjoyable, and creates shared memories. You don't need to be a stand-up comedian. Just being playful, lighthearted, or willing to laugh at their jokes is enough. People remember how you make them feel, and if they associate you with joy and fun, they'll naturally want to be around you more. Give them space. It's easy to get so excited about someone you like that you want to talk or be with them constantly, but too much can push them away. Showing interest while also giving space lets them come to you too. Independence is attractive because it shows you have your own life and don't rely on them for your happiness. It also gives them the chance to miss you, and missing you makes them realize your value even more. Show kindness. How you treat people around you says more than how you treat your crush. If you're consistently kind, whether it's to friends, strangers, or even pets, they'll notice. Kindness reflects your character, and people are drawn to those who make the world around them better. Play into their masculinity and make them feel strong. Most guys want to feel like they're capable, strong, or protective in some way. Telling him, "I feel so safe when I'm around you," may sound simple, but it means a lot. It shows you trust him and that he makes you feel secure. Making him feel powerful in your eyes doesn't mean you have to act weak. It just means you're recognizing and appreciating that protective side of him. Create shared experiences. Doing things together, whether it's going to a concert, studying side by side, or grabbing coffee, builds memories. These experiences create emotional anchors, moments they'll look back on and associate with you. Shared experiences deepen bonds because they're more meaningful than just casual conversations. Over time, these little memories can grow into something special. We hope you learned a thing or two about how to make someone fall for you. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.